Tell me what you wanna, I'll be what you wanna. I've been here 1,000 times. Hey, hey, falling for another, I don't even bother.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to the vlog. In today's episode, we are going to be headed down to Karrera Cafe so that we can assemble the FD RX7. The FD RX7 is getting the GT3 Afflux kit and Alfredo has allowed us to build it in the cafe. The car doesn't have air, that's why it's laying on the floor. Morning traffic. We just got to Karrera Cafe and we're now setting up for the build. I'm super excited. Behind me is the Afflux GT3 RX7 kit along with the ESR wheels. We went with 18-inch wheels, but they're not staggered, so we can actually rotate the front and rear tires, but we did get spacers for the rear according to the manufacturer's spec. Also behind me is the bride seats, which we're going to install, and then I'm going to put a special limited edition RWB steering wheel. Later this morning, Kyle and the team from Fitment will come in to actually install the air kit, the air struts as well. And then on Wednesday, Archie and his team will come in to wrap the car in a special color. Now, we decided to go with this different color instead of my normal peg of what I normally go for, because we wanted to showcase also what Archie and the team at Second Skin can do. So hopefully in the next 30 or 40 minutes we can get on our way. And I couldn't sleep last night. I just kept thinking of how cool is it that we're going to be able to do a live build again. And this is going to be the first in the Philippines. Obviously the Feed Afflux GT3 kit has not been done here, which is what I like.
Yeah. Why you calling at 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty? But I hit right back 'cause you got that, yeah. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I say don't look back, but I go right back and all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, you know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Do you love it when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. But I can't stay mad when you walk like that, no. Why you always wanna act like lovers, but you never wanna be each other's? I said don't look back, but I go right back. And all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say I'm gonna walk away, you turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this, you know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip, you know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on and show me how. light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want to. You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want. I can't keep you wanting you. Come on and show me how you do. You want, you want, you want, you want, you want to keep me wanting you.
Counting days since my love up and got lost on me. And every breath that I've been taking since you left feels like a waste on me. I've been holding on to hope that you'll come back when you can find some peace. 'Cause every word that I've heard spoken since you left feels like a hollow street. I've been told to get you off my mind, but I hope I never lose the bruises that you left behind. Oh my Lord, I need you by my side. There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you'd keep my head from going under. Maybe I'm just being blinded by the brighter side of what we are because it's over. Well, there must be something in the tide. I've been told to.
Hey guys, it's day 2 of our build here at Karrera Cafe. The FD RX7 actually looks like a car already, but today we're going to dismantle the whole car so the team of Second Skin can rewrap the whole car. So today's all about the air suspension, the wrap, and then hopefully tomorrow we're going to see the car on the ground. Now I was talking to the suppliers of the wheels. ESR Wheels is going to be able to sell me with wheel barrels so that I don't have to run all these double stack spacers that we figured out that we needed on the rear. Now on the front of the car we ran a 10mm spacer just to clear the Brembo brakes because I didn't know that the Brembo brakes were not stock. Anyway, today we're gonna do all beauty shots and montages of the wrapping of the car. So hopefully by the end of the day we have a new color on the car. It's a super nice color. It's something different, something I've never done before. So hopefully you guys can try it.
'Cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you'd keep my head from going.
Like an olive green.
There must be something in the water, 'cause every day it's getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you'd keep my head from going under.
Feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Baby girl, you give me 10 ton of fatness, give me some of that. Mix with the badness, look how she at. Shape like a death, but I'm not just that. It's a good piece of mentals under the cap. A piece of game, I'm love how you chat. Watching every step of the paper, the way you got. Staying in my brain, memory not detached. Mainly my aim is to give it this love. If not, dig the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you do. Then I would not lie, baby. You beat me up like I did. It's how hypnotic the way you move. That's why I wanted to get to you. And I would not like a baby. You moves how hypnotic.
No lie,
Girl, you never miss.
feel your eyes, they all over me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Get the vibe, it's gonna be lit tonight.
Girl, you never
No
miss. Girl, you never miss.
lie, hypnotize.
course.
Bone it and let me own it, my girl. Give you all the style that I have mastered. I see what baby girl, that's my word. Give it the good loving that is preferred. You deserve it, so don't be scared. It's hypnotic the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you do. Then I would not lie, baby. You beat me up like Scotty. It's how hypnotic the way you move. That's why I wanted to get to you. And I would not like a baby. You moves how hypnotic.
Welcome back, guys. It is day 3 of the build. We are back in Karrera Cafe. It is about 11 a.m. already and we are working on the final details for the car. We figured out that there's something wrong with the alignment of the front tires. The left front tire caster is actually forward and the right front tire is actually backward. So we're gonna remove the front tires now and actually try to re-stud the car also and change the rear spacers. We gotta trim a lot of the inner rear fender or inner front rear part of the fender because as the tires are turning, we could see that it's going to hit some of the metal parts. So after that, second skin is gonna come in to do paint protection film for the carbon bits, which is the side skirts, the hood, the headlights, and the wing. And then from there, we're done. So we're just waiting for the spacers also for the rear so that we can properly drop the car. Anyway, I'm gonna go help the team and see what's wrong with the front suspension. Hopefully we can find some adjustment and fix the angle of the wheels. But when I drove this car, I did feel the issues before, so I'm not quite sure, hoping there's nothing wrong with the chassis. It's 7 p.m. and it's day 3 and we're finally done with the car. Thank you so much to Archie from Second Skin and the team at Second Skin because they were able to revive the carbon bits of the car. When they came in this morning, they basically put a paint protection film on the hood, which actually brought the gloss back in the carbon. And they brought out a new paint protection film was carbon fiber, which they actually put on the lower section here. So we decided to match the carbon side skirt sill and do this so that we can have that uniform look. And I also forgot to order the signal lights, so they actually covered the signal light hole temporarily. In between, since we were doing so many carbon parts, we asked them to wrap the seat backs of the Bride Lomax seats and they look so good. They look like original carbon seats. We also ended up doing the wiper arms along with the door handle holder, and they also wrapped the rear spoiler along with the rear tail light with the paint protection film, and it also brought the gloss out. Now the only problem is that the car looks so new that all the weather strips, all the rubber, all the window ceilings, they all look old now. So I should have thought of that in advance and decided to change that. Also this morning, we were able to get some new spacers from Mr. Offset and fix the rear spacers. So we ended up going with a 40mm spacer on the rear. But later on, I'm going to rebarrel the rear and put some deeper dish barrels so that we can get rid of the spacers. Sadly, also this morning, we ran into some roadblocks. The front of the car had an accident. So when we were lowering the car, we were wondering why we were scraping on one side and one side was clearing. And when we looked at the form of the chassis, we saw some baconing on the sheet metal and we realized that the car had been in an accident already, which means we're actually going to need to pull the whole right side of the car to get it aligned. If not, my other option is to maybe tube frame the front end so that when we do the engine swap, we have a lot of space to work with later on. But for now, the car looks so amazing. I'm so happy that in 3 days, we were able to turn the car from what it looked like a few days ago to this. It's unbelievable, and I want to thank the team again. Archie, Second Skin, Fitment, Drive Karrera, my staff at Carporn Racing, and definitely my friend Toshi for selling me this body kit. It looks so good. We will be ordering the extra lip that goes here and then the side flare canard there. And then maybe later on we will build a custom rear diffuser as well, just to match how angry the kit looks. But for now, let's admire the beauty of the build.
Just that is a good piece of mentals under the cap. A piece of game, I'm love how you chat. Watching every step of the paper, the way you got. Staying in my brain, memory not detached. Mainly my aim is to give it this love. If not, dig the way you move. Let me acknowledge the way you do. Then I would not lie, baby.